Well, perhaps we'll learn the answer someday.
Fire! Incoming stasis pod! Plot vector to crash point.
Wrong profile for a stasis pod. But it isn't a meteor either.
Prime, where's it headed?
Right for the standing stones.
Yes, looks like somebody answered that signal. But who?
Whatever this fascinating device is, we Predacons claim it as our own.
Yes.
Megatron, terrorize!
Dinobot, maximize! Maximal torture chamber.
Whoa! Hey, power down! You're on our side now, remember?
Affirmative. And Maximals don't have torture chambers. Although, you know, I could get behind that idea. How did I get here?
We found you dumped in front of the command base hatch. Scrapped down and alone.
Aw, just like an innocent orphan in a B movie. Optimus. Yeah, we were hoping that maybe the innocent orphan baby could tell us what happened to Optimus. Optimus Primal was terminated. An alien probe has landed at the Standing Stones. It emitted an energy burst during Optimus's transformation. He vanished.
Wait a minute. Why was he transforming?
Predacon attack! We have no time for further analysis now. We must make another attempt to secure the probe from the Predacons. Rat Trap, come with me. Whoa! Wait! Stand by here! Who died and made you Prime, Scaleface? Optimus is certainly scrap, and I, as the most powerful of the group, shall replace him. Anyone who disagrees may challenge me now. Dinobot, maximize! You've been messing with the wrong mouse, Chopper Face.
Wait! We're not Predacons here. We'll settle the chain of command in traditional Maximal fashion. By secret ballot.
Megatron back! Megatron back! Scorponok alone with Tarantulas and Pterosaur! Very bad!
You and Waspinator will return to us badly damaged.
Yes,